Once robins sang in tall green trees, butterflies hung in the cool inland breeze, and the sky was the color of the seas. But now things change from day to day, though it hasn't always been that way. This is how it will always stay. So go to sleep with one eye open tonight, or tomorrow when you see the light, you'll surely get quite a little fright. But then tomorrow might not even come. It may well be replaced by some other one, or maybe substituted for all of none. We can't tell till then, my friend, not till we come around that bend. We might meet the beginning or the end. So when the alarm clock calls you tomorrow, and you rise up with great sorrow, remember that in the end you can't borrow. Oh, once you cry away, now you can't have it back. And what you had today, tomorrow you'll lack. You'll be kind of like a train without a track, all ready to live with a coffin under you. There won't be anything at all you can do. Learn to live before living's already through. Or maybe it's too late for a long, long time. You better look around for the signs before the silence is broken by the chimes. Or is that them I hear coming in the air? I wonder, do you dare to stand and care? Or would the pain to try and be unfair?